Hey guys, it's Alura and Mochi. Welcome to our channel, Likely Lost. Today I'm going to do a review on the pet carrier rolling backpack by ELEGX. You can get it for $65 on Amazon, and it's not the most expensive or the most cheap option, but it was right for our budget, and I think it's a really good bag if you want to carry your pet onto an airplane because it is all TSA approved. If you like this video while you're watching, give it a thumbs up. For every thumbs up, we give Mochi a treat that we will show in our next video. So our last video got 8 likes. So we gave her 8 treats. Some of the treats we broke in half because, you know, we don't want to make her sick or anything. But if you want to give Mochi a treat, or you just like the video, give it a thumbs up and check it out in our next video. So what I really like about the ELEGX rolling pet carrier backpack is first and foremost the design. So the material is waterproof, which is good if you're going on a long flight. We also use pee pads, and I recommend that for anybody that's carrying on a pet on an airplane. But the material is all waterproof, which is awesome, and it has 3 entrances, which is really great if you have a cat because, you know, cats can be kind of finicky when going into carriers. So it has 2 on the top, 2 different sizes, and 1 on the side. So I really liked those options, and I liked that each zipper has 2 of the zipper pulleys. So it just makes it easier getting your cat in. Definitely works for a dog too, but just with my experience, we have a cat, so that's what we used. It also has a cover on the top that you can roll up so she can see, you know, above. Or you can flip it over so that maybe if it's sunny or it's too bright or something, or you want her to maybe calm down a little bit, you can flip that on top to cover that like window on the top. Something I really, really like about it is the like hard, like high quality mesh that's on 4 sides of the carrier. Definitely great. Always love the mesh. Not a big fan of those like spaceship bags. It's just kind of doesn't look the most breathable to me. So any kind of pet carrier backpack that, or just pet carrier in general that has like a good sturdy mesh, I personally just really like. It has this removable bottom that has like this plush material and sort of like a lattice type of thing here. It's really thin and flimsy, kind of hard, so I'm not the biggest fan of this. I do have like an extra one that I put in there that's a lot softer, so that's definitely an option. It's a nice feature, but probably not the best quality. It also has one big pocket on the side that's zippered, so you can put treats in there or bags or just anything you might need for your cat. And then kind of like this cup holder pocket on the side. I would say that I think if it had an additional maybe like big zippered pocket on the front, it would be a lot better. Didn't really have a lot of storage in my opinion, but I mean it's decent. It's not that bad. It's a rolling carrier. So it's kind of designed like a suitcase. It's got the 4 wheels so you can kind of spin it, you know, move it around however you want when you're rolling it, which I really liked. Going through the airport, it worked great. It rolled really smooth. I think Mochi really liked it. Every time we stopped, she would meow, and I think she liked rolling around looking at people. So I definitely like the wheels on this carrier. I don't really like the handle that much. It just feels kind of loose and cheap. I don't have a lot of experience with the other the other rolling carriers. I've never tried any other ones. I've felt some in a pet store, and they all kind of felt like they had a cheap handle. I don't know if like a more expensive one would have a more sturdy handle. It has 2 different settings when it comes up, and the height is really good. It was definitely easy to move around as far as like the height of the handle, but like I said, kind of loose, kind of felt awkward. Yeah, just not the highest quality handle. And it also comes with straps, so it can be used as a backpack if you're just, you know, if you have to just like throw your pet on your back and just run to your next gate. There's an option for that as well. I didn't use it. I can't really say if it's comfortable or not. I would say I would definitely recommend this for rolling it in the airport. I have a review on a really good backpack, no wheels or anything, just a really good inexpensive cat backpack with the same mesh and everything. It's the Pet Ami backpack, and I will put it in the card right here if you're interested in that rather than the rolling one. Love that backpack, so definitely check out that review. But all in all, I really liked this backpack, or this rolling carrier. Like I said, it's TSA approved. We carried it on 4 or 5 flights with no problems at all. We flew American. So yeah, if you are interested in this backpack, just check out the link below. It's not an affiliate link or anything. It's just I really liked it, and I just wanted to share it with you guys. So yeah, if you like this video or you want to give Mochi a treat, give it a thumbs up. This is our cat Mochi. So she is a female orange tabby, so she's a rarity. Mochi, look. She just wants to play. Alright guys, thank you so much. Like the video, subscribe, hit the bell notification, and I will see you in the next one.